Today and this week, I think, is going to change your lives because you're going to understand the world of work. And I hope on signing day, you all get some jobs.
The fact that you have come forward to be in this program says a lot about who you are. I believe that there's something inside of you that will cause you to outperform anybody, that nobody can take that away from you, all right? Because what's important is how you view yourself, and that's going to determine how successful you're going to be.
For them, it's a great chance to see what they like, what they don't like, kind of walk into this blind on Monday and really hopefully come out at the end of the week realizing, God, I really like plumbing, or I really like windows, or I really like electrical, and try and get a career path for them that makes sense for each of the individual kids that are in the program.
Today, we are here working on the duct system. The gentlemen I'm working with, the young men, are making the distribution cans. We are putting the collars in them, we're taping them down.
We're learning how they connect all the air conditioning stuff, and they're actually demonstrating and letting us do it ourselves.
I'm really excited for the rest of the week. Like, this program, I'm really glad I got in it. It's a great opportunity for me and anybody else who may be able to be in it. I'm just really excited. I'm glad I got to do it.
So the experience was pretty good. I'm looking forward to tomorrow, you know.
I'm in the manufacturing part of the program. I think it's a really good opportunity to help kids fresh out of high school find good jobs.
So we have other companies from the community coming into the career day. Our goal is to get these kids hired and all have jobs and careers starting on Monday the following week. The partnership with the school board has been amazing. You know, we showed up at the advisory meetings at Port St. Lucie High School specifically because they have a carpentry program there. So we spent a lot of time this year with the kids in that program through that process, getting to understand where these kids are.
I think it's a great program that more schools, different states should take part in, because no one talks about trades nowadays as much as this program did, and it really helps us out.
Have an offer for Walmart distribution and A1 Roof Trust and PGA Golf Club.
I have an interview for Maverick at 9:30.
The whole week was just great learning opportunity to learn all different types of trades. I found out HVAC I just liked the most. I went up to them today on signing day and they just hired me on the spot, all three of us.
My experience this week was very nice. I say that because it opens up a wide diversity to females in the area to go outside of the box from what you've normally heard, such as doctors, lawyers, accounting, social services. It opens a wide range for us females to go outside of our comfort zone for jobs.